I've shared a lot of design strategies for selling your home, like decluttering, painting, and staging. But what are the practical strategies that can push your home to the top of the list? First, have your home professionally measured and create a floor plan. With more buyers searching online, a clear floor plan helps them understand room flow and mentally place furniture, moving them one step closer to buying. Next, professional photography is non-negotiable. Amateur photos won't cut it against the competition. Quality photography signals quality, attracting the best buyers. Finally, be flexible with showings. Selling can be stressful, especially if you're living in the home, but accommodating buyer requests maximizes opportunities. Keep the home show ready and make it easy for buyers to visit. Combining these practical steps with smart design will make your home stand out in the market. If you need help putting these strategies into action, reach out. We'd love to guide you every step of the way from here to sold.